The exhaust system comes in a large box. As you can see, UPS didn't treat it kindly. It was packaged pretty well. None of the pipes were damaged. Start by removing the passenger side inner fender well. Pry it up, then just pull it apart. Now to start removing the old exhaust system. These band clamps are 11 mm. Soak the hangers in WD-40 to make the process a little easier. I had planned on unbolting the cat, but as you'll see, I didn't end up doing it. This was my plan B. I had trouble getting the cat out, so I kept cutting. And cutting. Now time to install the new YiKatoo exhaust system. I put in the first piece that connects to the downpipe. Then I tightened the clamps so they wouldn't come off but could still be adjusted. Next up was the over-axle pipe. Then the pipe just forward of that. Then the S-pipe. This is the only pipe I had to cut. Here I'm using a clamp to help draw a guide for cutting. With it now cut, it slides right into place. As a note, remember to put the clamps on before assembling the pipes. I did not. Be sure to align each clamp on the edge of the pipe. It's important to have a good seal. Once all of your clamps are snug, tighten them all down, starting from the front. I used an air impact to ensure there's no leaks.